Good morning, guys. I hope you guys are doing okay. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been 3 months, guys. Ningixolele Nkosi yami nge-inconsistency. I've been really busy trying to push my main channel, shooting skits and everything. Please make sure you go check it out and subscribe, share with your friends also. Today, I have a vlog for you guys. I know I've been taking, but sengichazile ukuthi isizathu siphi ngiyasema futhi ngizongixolela nonke yeah. So I decided to vlog today because I'm with the boys and everyone else. We are creating content and like it's all vibes. So I brought my dog also. Oh, and another thing, guys, I have a dog now. Let's get right into it. Ngizophakela injaya right now, so ngicela nje nihlale nami ningibone ngenza yonke lento ngiba umother because I'm a mother. Charlie, I'm your mother, boy. Till here and then I'll get you food. Don't come. He cannot wait. Guys, I left his ndishi to pour water. I left his ndishi to pour food. So I'm just gonna pour the food on the floor and then try and cut maybe his scoop. Wait. Calm down. Mama, uyayenza plan. I actually feel so bad. Yep. Happy belated birthday! Hey! Hi!
Oh, good.
Good. How's your birthday, bro?
I was late. It was bad. I wanted to get them an ice cream, but
Hi, Papa. Shame has been thirsting, Sam. Koshi. Zile is ready to shoot, so I'm just gonna go get ready. Yeah, I'm just gonna wear a dress, guys. Yoga shisa. Come in. I'm going to wear this dress because it's hot. I just forgot my tights. I forgot my tights. And yeah, oh, guys, and I have a camera. I have a camera now. Sony A7 IV. Baby, the latest. Sony's latest camera. But yeah, singing and equipment some other time because right now we're getting ready and Zilly is ready to shoot. There's load shedding, Gonje. Maybe ask the guys if they're thinking where me. Yeah, jumpers, because I know. So let's buzz it. What the Bible to Schwabeni. Yo, do you guys think is it too bad because there's load shedding now? Is it bad?
Okay, it's a silk thing.
Huh?
It's a silk thing.
Me, I'll say wait for electricity.
But let's shoot at 10, dog. It's 45 or so. Oh, okay, so it's fine. But I need a
What's
light.
the time?
Yeah?
What's the time?
9.
Well, wait.
Zile, are you sure? You wanna wait? Zile, I can wear the clothes from yesterday.
Now, let's finish paying electricity so it's something you're comfortable with.
Okay. Utenji, it's fine. And Zile said, no, it's fine. I was going to look at my mark. But yeah, at least we're gonna wait for electricity to come back. Oh, there he is. Charlie? Hello? Hello? I'm sure he's so happy because he likes the grass. My apartment doesn't really have grass like that. So I always take him out for walks because, he needs to walk on the grass and shit and pee and just be outside. Hello, Baba. Hello, Baba. Hello, Baba. Hey. Let's go for a walk. Come, let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Okay, so guys, we're waiting for the electricity to get back so I can iron my dress and then iron my hair also. Because ngeke ngikwazi ukungibona nje ngifake ingubo eshwabene kwivideo cabanga. Imagine. And my dog didn't finish the food and the water, but at least he has the food and the water.
It's so fun chasing a dog. Have you ever chased a dog?
I don't
Like
have
when
the
you don't want to
energy.
do something, you just chase them. Charlie! Ah, come on. What about running?
What happened to running? Because Charlie likes playing, yo. You're getting yourself into something you don't even want, bro. Trust me, he's gonna come to you and want to play.
How are you, Nana? Shame.
Remember, the Lord is watching you.
What?
Remember. Carol, did you see the comments? uyazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu into mangabe wenze ngathi uyayifuna iyakunika ne. You know that, right? I'm just asking.
Just like a week, bro, just to live like this.
That is great.
Because if you live like this, you're important, but I'm special. What? If I tell you, please pass me water, you pass it.
You think we can do that,
know
ne?
But my leg is
girls
fucked
will
up.
have
So?
such a soft spot for you.
They will.
They'll be like, oh my god,
Oh my gosh, you okay? I'm like, yeah, you like 3.
Oh my god.
Let's see.
Bashimani.
But that's what we do.
Why were you so quiet?
Toothbrush yokunayisini. So nje unayisini manje. Ethi ngamshisa nayisini. Ngiyazi uzongilandela. I know for a fact uzongilandela. Stay there, baby. Have a rest. I don't like some cartels. I'm gonna have to finish something. I just want to rest a bit before the electricity comes back.
I wonder you like this, though.
Once I'm like this, don't fuck around. What's wrong with me, bro?
Sasha's in.
Okay, there's not in this bedroom, so I'm just gonna leave it. What are you guys doing here?
Gossiping.
How's your foot?
It's shit.
Do it first.
There's no space, though.
You actually can.
Yeah, wait. Is this hoodie, man?
How? What the fuck? Yeah? I can what? Yeah. Which things? Which things? Yeah. Let me give up and just go rest for like 15 minutes. Guys, no. Let's not make sure. Let me just rest for like 10 minutes. Okay, so boy. But I feel like I'm gonna regret what I'm gonna do to myself, because once you take a nap and you're not ready to get up, it gets really hard to get up. But I'm a G, and I know ngizovuka ngoba indidinga namhlanje sasiphinde ivuke. Let me rest, guys. Yo, pretty nigga, hey, the hoes gonna love this.
And we just woke up.
Imagine, that's why I'm saying, why?
100 meter. And hamba namachita. Make a move, nigga. So keep
Ah,
Make a move, nigga. Basil keeper. I ride with some niggas, look like kilas. Save it like a keeper. When now you gon' deca?
Listen.
That means you gon' fail.
Drink tequila. Drop a couple of bars. Where's my meter? Another bar, 100 meter.
Another bar, that's a clipper.
mina ngathi sengizomitha.
Hamba namachita.
Oh.
Shangin pama yeslima.
Oh.
Shame mama nasicima.
Namhlanje siyashutha, namhlanje kuyashuba. Kufika ama-creator, kufika ama-tiktoker, sizobathoka, tiktokers.
Talker, tick tick boom, the boom boom rooms, going crazy room, shroom.
I hate mushrooms. Say mushrooms often. Ngifuna wonke umuntu manje arephe ngesiZulu. That's a day I see Zulu.
I don't know none of that beat. I can't rap.
Where now?
I can't rap in Zulu. I don't speak Zulu.
Hamba namachita. Namamasai.
But let me try. She said, Hamad Shaka Zulu. Who's that bro? I don't know that bro. But I'm kind
Ngizona isiZulu leso.
Huh?
Ngithanda rapper ngesiZulu.
I can't rap.
Singena manje sifika lana sabaqoba baqeda ukulala bavuka manje baphinde balala phina futhi ngoba bakhathele. Ugesa ukho. Hayibo. Hey. Hayibo akunalutho.
Okay, so I'm calling for Kanye.
What the fuck? Hi guys. I didn't sleep. I actually didn't sleep. Yeah. But it's all good. It's all good.
More content.
More money, more collaboration. How's it? Say everything.
Toast.
Two more lives. More.
Yeah, just wants to drink.
More money, more collaboration, more great friendship, everything nice. More travel.
This is not no fucking Henny. You're a fan. It ain't no Henny, bro.
I can smell it already. You are sick. And you know how I so I'm like, that thing is not so many shots.
Shout out to Jaden.